Hey, what's up, y'all? It is Toni. Welcome back to my channel. So I am super duper excited about today because I have Felisha Bell, who is also Style Bell Felisha on Instagram. So you need to go follow her like right now. Just stop everything you're doing. And she's kind of like my expert at all things style, whether it be home or workout stuff. Just whatever. Because it is the new year, and I told y'all not too long ago, I said Happy New Year, and I was like, is it too late to really officially call it? Like, we kind of deep in at this point, but it could be October, and I can say Happy New Year if I want to. Anyway, she's going to show us some fly stuff to wear to the gym, and how you can be cute, but yet effective. You know, sometimes, I don't know about y'all, but you want to go to the gym or you want to run, and then when you have kids, you have other stuff to do, so it's like, dang, I need to go by the grocery store. And you don't want to look like a hobo doing it, okay? She's going to show us how to do all of that stuff and be cute and fly and all of that. So what kind of stuff you got over here that I can use?
All right. So again, as Toni said, new year, new goals.
Yes.
For some of you guys, your goal may be to lose some weight. It may be to have a healthier body. You know, whatever your goal is, there's a way that you can still be cute and crush that goal. So that's what we're talking about today. Sometimes it can be a bit intimidating because you have all these guys in there and then you got all these Beyonce shaped, you know, little girls in there.
Yes.
So, you know, it can be a little bit intimidating, but you can keep up with it by just being fly.
See?
By just being, what I'm wearing now is one of Nike's little fleece hoodie jackets.
So
and it's like a high-low. It's high in the front and a little bit lower in the back.
I like
you know, for us girls that
got a little badonka-donk. So let me ask you this. How much would something like that cost?
This retails for about $135.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if that's too much for you, Nike have sales all the time. Because I'm like, I will do full price, but I can buy it on sale. But $130 is good for what that, because it does keep you warm.
Yes.
It's not just cute. It has a purpose.
It has the thumb holes, so you're still being
that's
really
super
stylish.
cute. That right there make you feel like, oh, like a cow.
Yes. I'm gonna hit this burpee one time.
One. Okay. We are right.
Yeah. I have on Nike tights, running tights. They are the bomb. Yes.
It's super cute.
Super cute running pants. They come in crops, they come in capris, they come in long length. And I mean, the tighter they are, the more it holds you in. They have thick elastic bands that literally kind of suck you in.
Yeah, and those are my favorite, the high waist kind.
Yes, okay. It holds it in. We're not trying to show everybody at the gym the parts that we're working on.
Right.
And we can still be cute. You know, we don't have to come in there with sweatpants on and, you know, just wet.
You know what she's talking about.
Yeah, ladies. That's the no. That's the no.
I know.
That's the no.
So dry fit.
Dry fit
is the key.
Dry fit is the key. Absolutely.
This is cute.
Absolutely. It has the little air holes in it.
Right.
And it just doesn't hold all that wetness and moisture on top of you. For some ladies that are more comfortable with their stomach, it's a little bit higher up. So you don't have to wear longer tee like me. But you can still be stylish. You still got your, you know, you're flowing with your style. This is one of the jackets.
This is so cute.
Again, one of the dry fit jackets. Love me some dry fit. Girl, I gotta stay cute, so I gotta keep it dry. Okay? Super lightweight. So when you transition from your fleece, this is an awesome transitional piece.
That's cute.
That you can get and still kind of cover yourself up. For some ladies, they don't want to be all exposed. Even though, you know, we are working on goals. Overexposure is kind of, you know, you have husbands in there, you have people that are just kind of intimidated by being in the gym anyway.
Right.
So, you know, to go in and still be cute, but you get the job done, that's everything.
Yeah.
So then this is a vest. I usually do the vest when I go running outside, and it has the reflectors on it.
That's good.
So someone don't just run over and hit me.
Literally. Not funny because literally, right.
It has a pocket back here in the back that you can store your credit card or your keys or your gym membership or whatever is necessary. So when you're running, it's not jingling, jumping up and down here in the front. So this is just really good to have. Very lightweight. Another accessory piece that you guys can go out and grab. And then we can't forget the training, the training running bra. This is like a Nike Pro one. It has great support in it.
And that's what because I bought some before and it's like, oh, that must be light support because it ain't holding nothing together and don't let you get a workout except for these. You just be like, why they just all over the place? That's what you never want.
Yes. And I will say, ladies, buy it a size too small. That way it holds you.
Yeah.
So when
Yeah.
you get the picture.
Right, is this one right here, is this one medium? Because usually it'll say on there medium support. Medium support. This one is medium support.
Yes.
Usually I go for strong, hardcore support. I have some in a medium support. I do, and they work. They're good. And like you said, getting them a size smaller does make a difference. Because when it's too big, then sometimes it don't.
Yes.
You know, and I like to hold them down.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then depending on, your bust size, you know, compared to Toni, I'm not,
You're not the
but anyway. So that's why I get a medium
And you know what?
support.
I did, let me throw this in. I did get a Nike bra that I love that zips.
Yes.
It zips and it has like a little, it's perfect for me, and it has good support. And I want to say that one is medium support too, but for whatever reason, it holds. So they have a bunch of different options.
Yes, because sometimes these can be a little tough to get into. So for the zip support, that's
Right.
genius.
Yeah,
that's totally genius. But it's always good to have a really nice support bra. I have a black one on now. I would show you, but I don't want to expose those areas I'm working on.
Right, exactly. Right, yes. Let me ask you this. This is probably, I don't know if this is being judgy or just being nitpicky, but socks. Why do I hate when I see somebody with tube socks, with like ankle socks, where you can see the like, you might as well just go on and wear a full sock if you're going to wear an ankle sock with this much white shown. That wears you down. Let's talk about these socks.
Let's talk about socks, guys. I brought a couple of pairs. They're no-show. They're both no-show socks.
No show.
No show. Yeah.
And that's probably just a personal preference. But
well, they make them for a reason.
Yeah.
They make them for a reason. And actually, they're a lot more comfortable even with your shoes because you're not worried about the socks sliding up or down. So for the no-show.
And then me, I'm just shallow. It's just ugly. It's just not cute. I want the cute socks. It's not fashionable. I don't like it, but okay.
Yes.
So, but don't judge me if you see me. Just because I said I'm like, easily somebody will catch me in the gym with a pair of ankle socks. What is this right here?
Yes. Now, actually, this is another dry fit Nike running top.
That's so cute.
A little fashionable. You can put your sports bra under this and still be covered up, and you don't have to expose just the tummy part. Even though a lot of girls that can do it, they do, just wear the sports bra and they look super cute. But if that's not your lane,
listen, and you can feel like you kind of jamming, because this part is like, oh, I might not have my stomach out, but I got my back out a little bit. It's just like about that much back skin showing.
Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine?
Now what? It's real cute. So it's like giving like cute, but you just can't quite, all of us can't. But that don't make you no less fly, girl. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
So what y'all have to do is y'all have to go on Instagram and follow her on Instagram, and you'll see all the stuff that she has going. Just everything. She's just styled all the way around. So go follow her, and I guess we'll see you next time.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. All right, bye.
I think they kind of rotate the
Training.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, so now we can.
Athletes.
Okay.